What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's very cold out. My phone is about to go dead, so I don't know how long the best screen recording is gonna last, but I want to try out Big Daddy Samsung quick. I built a new battery, Big Daddy Samsung. It's not exactly new, but I took Big Daddy Samsung the first apart, and then we disassembled him and took his cells apart and salvaged them, and then reassembled him using better equipment, a better spot welder. So Big Daddy Samsung, he doesn't have as many parallel groups. He's 21S4P now instead of 21S5P, but seems to be working so far. Here we go. Here we go, bub. We're going for a ripper. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm cold. Yeah, it is so cold today. It's like 0 degrees out or something. I don't know. It is so cold. Big Daddy Samsung feels good though. The hydraulic brakes don't feel good. They're not working very well. Man, we are just cruising. We got it set to 85 phase amps. I'm cold. Oh, it's busy. It's busy. Very busy. Wow. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. We're going for a very quick ride. It's a new battery, and hold on, I don't know how long I can make it. We're on 4 PSI in the tires, but let's see what we can do here. Whoa. Here you go, boys. I wonder if my phone's still going. Oh man, little baby Samsung. Or this is Big Daddy Samsung. He feels so good. We're going so fast through the snow, boys. I wonder how the motor temperature's doing. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, Big Daddy Samsung's holding 80 volts. I don't know if we're crunching snow or what, if we're crunching nylon gears. I have so much ice in my goggles. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. 7. Oh my god. I gotta go back. Gotta go back. Cold. What are you guys up to? Big Daddy Samsung, 84.7 volts. Brr. Oh yeah, let's look at him. There he is. Oh! Don't run away. Man, my goggles. Alright, here we go. Let's go back. I'm actually doing okay. I'm doing okay. We can hit a jump, chill out for a minute. My phone is gonna die at some point. All right, check this out. We got a jump down there. You still going? GoPro? Yeah. Let's hit the jump. We're just gonna send it off the jump here. Oh, they made it even bigger. Yes. Yes. Oh, there's spectators. This thing in low gear. I can't even see what's going on. My goggles. Alright, we're gonna hit the jump. We gotta like pull up a little bit because it's bigger today. It's bigger today. Can we defog these goggles or what? I didn't try the disc though. I gotta just leave my goggles up. I gotta leave my goggles up for maximum jump confidence. Let's see here. Alright, we're gonna pull it up. Oh, nice. Big Daddy Samsung's at 85. You can really get around in the snow. Man, that new spot welder is like the best thing that I've bought for a while. I should have bought that a long time ago. Let's go down in the pit. Let's go right down in the pit. Alright. Oh! What a day out. I'm feeling good, boys. We gotta build the house CT to back up. I'm gonna build the T to back up, and it's gonna have a 1000-watt motor and be even better. You can see my traction yesterday, or the other day. Man, Big Daddy Samsung feels heavy. Hey there, buddy. It's okay. Hello. I have dogs too, so.
Oh, okay, yeah, sorry.
She can probably smell other dogs.
Yeah. I think she's just excited to actually stretch her legs.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. We've got a lot of traction out here today. Except for when you go on the loose stuff. 84.1. Even farther now. Now that we have Big Daddy Samsung instead of little baby Samsung. Go there. Oh! My foot came off the pedals. Totally messed it up. Totally messed it up. We're still alive though. Alright, well that was cool guys. I just wanted to try Big Daddy Samsung and see how he works. He seems to work pretty good. He's 21 S4P. But so the Flipsky is supposed to be safe for up to 20S. But I think with this battery, I'm going to be draining so many amps out of it that the voltage will usually drop to within a 20S voltage range. So it's not going to be like above 20S voltage for very long. Just barely. Like this, when you first start riding, the voltage will be above 20S. But like as soon as you start cruising down the road, it won't be. So let's see, it's like 83 volts, 83.4, and when I get throttle, it's like 80 it goes down like 3 volts or something when I get the throttle. Alright, well that was fun. Let's see what the streets look like. They look okay. Let's go on the street. It feels so funny with low tire pressure and all that flat out in my tubes. I can feel the flat out really a lot. It's like flopping around there. Alright guys, well we were just testing Big Daddy Samsung. Seems like he's working good. My tire feels so floppy. That is crazy. Whoa, 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 whoa. cool. Big day, Samson, we're good. We're going back. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Gonna go on a longer ride soon.